Uh, Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So I am back with another video. So in my previous videos you have seen this winding ceiling fan winding. It has got around 250 turns and this produces around more than 500 volts. But the amps was very less, which I already told, and I even committed with you that I will be making another winding with a thicker wire, and I will tell you the amps and voltage for that. So this is giving us to more than 500 volts, but the amps is less. So we can't charge a battery with this. So now I have another winding. You can see the difference between the coil thickness. So this one is a 23 gauge wire. I am not sure how much it is. In India, usually they use gauges. So this is around 35 gauge. This is 23 gauge copper wire. So with this, I was able to get around 30 volts, and with the hand rotation, I was getting around 8 volts. And amps which I got was around between 1 to 3 amps. So this can with some fine tuning we can use this as a wind generator. One other problem with this is the slots are small. Since it is small, we can't put more number of turns. I have used only 35 turns, so that is one problem. uh, but there are other options. You can use washing machine direct drive motor, or else axial flux will be a better option. Maybe I will try to do an axial flux generator later, but now we will see the amps and voltage from this one. I will pause the video. Okay guys, so let's see the voltage and amps we get from a 23 gauge copper wire in a ceiling fan. Okay, so I'm not sure whether you are able to see clearly. So this should be fine, I guess. So as you were able to see, it went around maybe uh, 28 volts. Okay, let's check the amps now. I am just shorting the wires. Okay guys, I was not able to hold it tight, but usually it goes to around 3 amps. Let me check once again. Okay guys, this information will be useful for engineering students or those who want to um, do wind generators. Basically, the idea is if you use a thinner wire, you get more voltage, less amps. If you use thick wire, you get more amps and less voltage. And we need more amps, less voltage, around 12 to 48 volts for a wind generator. So please do like, subscribe, and share the video so that I can do some more videos related to wind generator, or I'm planning to do a axial flux generator. Okay guys, thank you.